All right, welcome to Klaros AI, the only time it's socially acceptable to stick your tongue out at your phone. So you want to start your journey by clicking Start My Health Journey. And then the first thing we need to do is we need to take pictures of your tongue. So you're going to stick your tongue straight out, and then you're going to tilt your camera down. So you're kind of shooting it from the top down. If it helps to say, you can do that. Next, you're going to shoot the bottom. So put the tip of your tongue at the top of your teeth with a tongue twister, and you're going to tilt your camera up and shoot it from the bottom. It works better than kind of moving your head around. Great. Then you begin our tongue analysis. And Klaros will be using its AI to kind of tell you what it finds with your tongue. I would say an average score is around 68. I get a little better than average, around a 76, because I'm so healthy. You can read about your findings. You can click the reference buttons if you want to see what it's referencing. And then it's going to ask you some questions. And so the first is, do you have any water retention or swelling? And then it's going to ask you if pressure makes it feel better. And then lastly, how's your sleep? And you don't need to lie. We know that we're all doom scrolling at night. And the next thing it's going to ask you questions. The main thing is we want your chief complaint. What's your main concern? So for me, it's Meniere's. And then it's going to ask you about your medications, because we don't want to have any contraindications. So enter in any medications that you're taking. For me, I'm taking Claritin. And then you can enter in any kind of just other health issues that you might be having. So you can go cardiovascular, you can go lungs, you can go digestion, urinary tract sort of stuff. It's easier to say the problems that you have rather than writing in all the problems that you don't have. So for me, I said vertigo, because that comes with Meniere's. The more information, the better. And then once you're done with that, you'll click the button, and then you are officially... Forgot, you got to add your email. And this is great because it will email your results, so you don't have to try to copy and paste it. So great, you're going to get an email. I think you'll see at the top of my screen, boom, it shows that I got an email. So that's great. So it's going to generate my recommendations, and that means you are officially clarified. I don't know if that's the right word. Clarosied? I don't know. That doesn't work either. Okay. Let's wait for our results. Okay, here they come. Great. So it's going to talk about what's holding you back, which is great. You can read all that beautiful information. It's going to give you some herbal recommendations and kind of tell you why, which is great. I think I got 3 things. That's a beautiful formula. Just kind of scrolling down, and then owie patches. Owie patches are great for vertigo if you put them on your lower legs. Helps calm the central nervous system. So you can also see there will be dietary recommendations, lifestyle recommendations. These are all free and easy things. You don't have to buy anything. You just have to do them. And then this is the super secret thing right here, that practitioner reasoning. This is what I find most interesting. It gives you all the reasoning and its thought process, what your diagnosis is, why these formulas are great for you. Nothing is hidden. It also gives you what to expect once you start taking these herbs. How long will it take to see improvements? If you do want to buy them, you can click and buy them directly through the site. You also can just kind of copy and paste the information and share it with your friends or with your acupuncturist or with anyone that you feel would be interested in your health stuff. That's it. So it's a great, free, and beautiful program that you definitely should be checking out.